my dear friends. Welcome back to Real Speaking Pod. I am your host, Jack, and I am going to share an English practice. Our topic is what happens when the electricity goes out. Relax your shoulders. Now let us begin together. When the electricity goes out, the lights turn off, fans stop, chargers stop working, and the room can become quiet or dark. Electricity is power that makes lights, computers, phones, refrigerators, and many machines work. Goes out means stops working. You can say, the electricity went out, the power went out. There is a power cut. The lights went off. These sentences are common in daily life. A power cut can be short, only a few minutes. It can also be long, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, or more. Let us begin with one simple sentence. The electricity went out. Repeat it slowly. The electricity went out. You can also say, the power is out. The lights are off. We have no electricity right now. The fan stopped working. My phone is not charging. The room is dark. I need a flashlight. These sentences help you explain the situation clearly. Clear English is better than complicated English. Complicated means difficult with many parts. Practice these sentences. The electricity went out suddenly. Suddenly means quickly and unexpectedly. The house became dark. I looked for a flashlight. I turned on my phone light. I checked the battery. I opened the window for fresh air. I waited calmly. Calmly means in a peaceful way. I asked my family if everyone was okay. These sentences describe actions during a power cut. They are useful for speaking about real life. Now let us imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel is at home in the evening. He is sitting at his desk and studying English. His notebook is open, and his phone is charging beside him. Beside means next to. The fan is moving slowly, and the light is bright above his desk. Daniel is repeating a sentence. I can practice English every day. Then, suddenly, everything stops. The room becomes dark. The fan stops. The charger light disappears. Daniel says, "Oh, the electricity went out." At first, Daniel feels annoyed. Annoyed means a little angry or bothered. He wanted to finish his lesson. He was comfortable. And now the room is dark and warm. Warm means a little hot. He reaches for his phone and turns on the phone light. Reach for means move your hand to take something. He looks around the room. His little brother is in the next room and says, "What happened?" Daniel answers, "The power went out." Do not worry. I will find the flashlight. Practice family sentences. Do not worry. The power went out. I will find the flashlight. Are you okay? Stay where you are. Do not walk too fast. Be careful. The room is dark. Let us sit together. These sentences are helpful because safety is important in the dark. Safety means being away from danger. When the lights go out, people can trip, fall, or hit something. Trip means almost fall because your foot hits something. Daniel opens a drawer and looks for the flashlight. A drawer is a box that slides in and out of a desk. He finds it, but it does not turn on. The batteries are dead. Dead batteries have no power. Daniel sighs. He says, I should have checked the batteries before. Should have means something was a good idea in the past, but we did not do it. Then he remembers that there are candles in the kitchen. He walks carefully and calls his brother to follow slowly. In the kitchen, Daniel finds 2 candles and a box of matches. A match is a small stick used to start fire. He places the candles on a plate, away from paper and curtains. Curtains are pieces of cloth that cover a window. This is important. Fire can be dangerous. Daniel lights 1 candle carefully. Light here means start a fire. The small flame makes the kitchen glow. A flame is the fire part of a candle. Glow means shine softly. Practice candle safety sentences. Daniel checks his phone battery. It is at 30%. Percent means a part of 100. He decides not to waste it. Waste means use something badly. He says, I should save my phone battery. I will not watch videos now. I will only use the phone for important calls or messages. This is a smart choice. During a power cut, phone battery can be important. You may need it for light, calls, messages, or information. Practice phone sentences. My phone battery is low. Low means not much. I need to save battery. I will turn off mobile data. I will reduce the screen brightness. Reduce means make less. I will not watch videos now. I will use my phone only if necessary. Necessary means needed. These sentences are useful during electricity problems. They also teach good phone habits. After a few minutes, Daniel's mother comes to the kitchen. She says, "Is everyone okay?" Daniel says, "Yes, we are fine. We found candles." She says, "Good. Please check the refrigerator later." A refrigerator is a cold place for food. When the electricity is out for a long time, food in the refrigerator can become warm. Daniel understands. He says, "I will not open the refrigerator too much. If we keep the door closed, the cold air will stay longer." Practice food sentences. Do not open the refrigerator too often. Keep the door closed. The food needs to stay cold. The freezer is still cold. A freezer is the very cold part for frozen food. If the power comes back soon, the food will be fine. Fine means okay. These sentences are practical for the home. A power cut can affect food, water, cooking, and comfort. Now let us talk about heat. In some places, when the electricity goes out, the fan or air conditioner stops. An air conditioner is a machine that cools a room. The room can become hot. Daniel's house becomes warmer because the fan is off. His brother says, "I feel hot." Daniel opens the window and says, "Let some air come in." He gives his brother water. Water helps the body feel better. They sit quietly near the window. Now let us talk about darkness and fear. Some people feel afraid when the lights go out. Afraid means feeling fear. Children may feel scared. Scared means frightened. Even adults can feel uncomfortable in sudden darkness. Uncomfortable means not relaxed. Daniel's little brother looks worried. Worried means thinking something bad may happen. Daniel says, "We are safe. The power will come back. Let us stay together." His calm voice helps his brother feel better. Practice comfort sentences. We are safe. Do not be afraid. I am here. The power will come back. Let us sit together. Let us talk for a while. For a while means for some time. Everything is okay. These phrases are kind and useful. Sometimes English is not only for information, it is also for comfort, support, and kindness. Daniel tries to continue studying, but candlelight is not strong enough for reading. Instead of feeling angry, he changes his plan. Change means make something different. He says, "I cannot read my book now, but I can practice speaking." He starts describing the situation in English. The electricity went out. The room is dark. We are sitting in the kitchen. There is a candle on the table. I am saving my phone battery. My family is safe. This becomes his English practice. This is a powerful lesson. Powerful means strong and useful. When your plan changes, you can still practice English. If you cannot read, speak. If you cannot watch a lesson, repeat from memory. If you cannot charge your phone, write in a notebook. If the room is too dark, practice simple sentences aloud. Aloud means with your voice. Real life can interrupt your plans. Interrupt means stop something while it is happening. But you can adapt. Adapt means change and continue. Practice power cut speaking. The power went out. I am sitting with my family. We are using a candle. The house is quiet. I can hear the street. I am waiting for the electricity. I feel a little annoyed, but I am calm. I will practice English while I wait. These sentences are easy and real. Real English becomes stronger when you connect it to real moments. Now let us talk about neighbors. Neighbor means a person who lives near you. When the electricity goes out, people often ask neighbors, "Do you have power? Is your electricity out too?" Do you know what happened? Daniel hears his neighbor outside. He opens the door carefully and asks, "Is your power out too?" The neighbor says, "Yes, the whole street is dark." Whole means all. Daniel says, "I hope it comes back soon." The neighbor says, "Me too." Practice neighbor conversation. Is your electricity out too? Do you know what happened? Is the whole street dark? I hope the power comes back soon. Please tell us if you hear any news. News means new information. These sentences are useful because power cuts often affect many homes, not only one house. Talking to neighbors can help people understand the situation. After half an hour, Daniel feels more peaceful. At first, he was annoyed. Now, he is sitting with his family. They are talking without phones and television. His mother tells a story from the past, when electricity went out often and families sat together in candlelight. Candlelight means light from a candle. She says, "We used to tell stories." Used to means something happened often in the past, but maybe not now. Daniel listens carefully and smiles. His brother asks for a story too. Daniel tells a funny story from school. Funny means making people laugh. Everyone laughs softly. The dark room feels less scary. Scary means causing fear. It feels warmer and closer. Closer means more connected. Daniel thinks, I did not want the power cut, but this quiet family time is nice. Sometimes an uncomfortable moment can bring a small gift. Now let us practice family time sentences. We are sitting together. We are telling stories. We are laughing. We are listening to each other. We are not using phones. We are enjoying a quiet moment. The candlelight feels warm. This power cut is not easy, but we are okay. These sentences help you talk about family and feelings during a problem. Now, let us build your electricity sentence bank. The electricity went out. The power is out. The lights went off. The fan stopped working. The room is dark. I need a flashlight. The batteries are dead. We lit a candle. The phone battery is low. We should save battery. Do not open the refrigerator too much. Open the window. Stay calm. The power came back. Keep these sentences ready because they are useful in real life. Now let us practice past tense. Present. The electricity goes out. Past. The electricity went out. Present. The lights go off. Past. The lights went off. Present. The fan stops. Past. The fan stopped. Present. I light a candle. Past. I lit a candle. Present. I sit with my family. Past. I sat with my family. These forms help you tell a story after the event. Event means something that happens. Practice a short past story. Last night, the electricity went out. The house became dark. I found a candle in the kitchen. My family sat together at the table. We talked and waited. After 1 hour, the power came back. I felt happy and relieved. Relieved means happy because worry is gone. This story is clear, short, and useful. Now let us talk about preparation. Preparation means getting ready before something happens. You can prepare for power cuts by keeping a flashlight, extra batteries, candles, matches, drinking water, and a charged power bank. A power bank is a small device that charges phones. You can also know where these things are. It does not help if you have a flashlight but cannot find it in the dark. Daniel learns this lesson because his flashlight had dead batteries. Practice preparation sentences. I should keep a flashlight at home. I should check the batteries. I should keep candles in a safe place. I should charge my power bank. I should keep water ready. I should know where everything is. These sentences use should because they give advice. Advice means an idea about what someone should do. Now let us practice questions and answers. What happened? The electricity went out. When did it happen? It happened in the evening. What stopped working? The lights, fan, and charger stopped working. What did you do first? I found a flashlight. Did it work? No, the batteries were dead. What did you use? We used candles. How did you feel? I felt annoyed at first, but later I felt calm. Practice more answers. Was your family okay? Yes, everyone was okay. Did you save your phone battery? Yes, I used my phone only when necessary. Did you open the refrigerator? No, I kept it closed. Did you talk to neighbors? Yes, I asked if their power was out too. When did the power come back? It came back after 1 hour. These answers help you. Daniel returns to his desk, but he feels different. Before the power cut, he felt busy and focused only on his lesson. After the power cut, he feels thankful. Thankful means grateful. He is thankful for light, for family, for safety, and even for the quiet time. He writes in his notebook, Tonight, the electricity went out, but I learned patience. Patience means the ability to stay calm while waiting. This sentence becomes his English lesson and his life lesson. Now let us practice a short speech. Repeat after me. Last night the electricity went out, the room became dark, and the fan stopped working. At first, I felt annoyed, but then I found a candle and sat with my family. We saved our phone batteries, kept the refrigerator closed, and waited calmly. After some time, we started talking and telling stories. When the power came back, I felt happy and thankful. You can change this speech for your own life. Maybe the power went out during dinner. Say, the power went out while we were eating dinner. Maybe it happened while you were studying. Say, the power went out while I was studying English. Maybe it happened at night. Say, the room became dark, but we stayed calm. Make the speech true for you. Real English is easier when it connects to real life. Now let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions aloud. Does the electricity go out in your area sometimes? What do you do first when the power goes out? Do you use candles, a flashlight, or your phone light? How do you save your phone battery? How do you help children feel safe? What do you do while waiting? How do you feel when the power comes back? Pause when you need time. Answer simply, I find, I use, I wait, I feel. One helpful practice is the power cut journal. A journal is a place where you write your thoughts. Write 5 sentences after a power cut. The electricity went out. The room was dark. I used a candle. My family sat together. The power came back later. Then make it longer. I felt nervous at first, but I stayed calm. We talked together while we waited. This small writing can improve your English and help you remember useful words. Remember, when the electricity goes out, daily life changes quickly. Lights stop, fans stop, chargers stop, rooms become dark. But you can stay calm, use safe light, save phone battery, protect food, help family, talk to neighbors, and wait patiently. You can also turn the moment into English practice. Describe what happened. Name the objects. Say your feelings. Tell the story. Everyday problems can become useful English lessons. Before we finish, remember this. A power cut can make a room dark, but calm words, safe actions, and family togetherness can bring light in another way. Thank you for listening to Real Speaking Pod. I am Jack, and I am proud of you for practicing today. Keep listening, keep repeating, and keep learning English from everyday life. Your English voice is growing, one candle, one calm sentence, and one bright moment at a time.